Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add stickers in Instagram chats. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the app opens, head over to your direct messages. Next, open any conversation where you want to add a sticker. Once you're inside the chat, find a message and press and hold on it for a moment. Then tap on More from this menu. And then you will see this Add Sticker option. Tap on it. Once you do, Instagram will display sticker choices that you can use. Browse through the available stickers and choose the one you want to attach. After selecting it, the sticker will be added directly to the chat. Or you can tap on this plus icon, and you will see Sticker option. Tap on it, and then you can send any sticker to this chat. If you don't see the Add Sticker option, open your App Store, search for Instagram, and check whether an update is available. If you see an update button, install it, and then reopen Instagram. After updating, return to your messages and check again. The sticker feature should appear if it's available for your account and region. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add stickers in Instagram chats. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.